I have a pair of $6 steaks to sacrifice. One I'm pre-seasoning with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. The other one I'm just seasoning with air. This is in reference to Adam Ragusea's video, which has some of the most intelligent comments in YouTube.
I actually tried this technique. I can confirm the most delicious cutting board I've ever
I
eaten.
prefer to eat the toilet paper before pooping, so wipes itself on its way
Why
out.
I wipe my shit, not my
This is how I usually cook steak. Some ghee to a hot stainless pan. After the pan is well lubricated, just lay the steak in. The meat's only 1-inch thick, so it's gonna be kind of hard to cook it as rare as I want it to be. So I gave it around 2 minutes per side, which resulted to a decent crust. Now for the last minute, it's time to baste it with some butter, with garlic, and some fresh
Thank
tarragon.
you. Thank you.
Wow, I didn't know this steak was pre-cut. After resting for about 5 minutes, this should be a perfect medium rare. I'd like to make a correction. This is not how I usually cook steak. These are the only steaks I have, so I guess this will do. I'll tell you what I think after I cook the second steak. For the second one, I'm gonna season the cutting board first before actually putting the steak in. After looking at the gray piece of meat I cooked up earlier, I don't really trust myself to not pay attention to the steak while it's cooking. Now just seasoning this cutting board with some salt, pepper, and some tarragon. Chop them up real good. Now that board is ready, I can cook the steak. 1 minute 30 seconds now this time. I'll putting some butter on the board because I forgot. I think that's a decent looking crust for the time it took. It's time to rest it on top of the seasonings. Look at it just laying on top of the butter. It's like a mother hen warming her eggs. Hey, that looks pretty good, right?
No.
Moment of truth. That's perfect medium rare. I even asked AI to verify it. Now it's time to mix them all up. I think the reason why I cooked this better than the other one is because there was no basting process. Here's the leftover juices on the cutting board. Just scrape it on there. Just falls apart, fellas. Now for the final layer of seasonings, pepper and salt. Also some Colombian. Flavor-wise, barely tasted any difference. The difference is mostly on the consistency, because butter basting the steak might put you off and make you overcook it. Not that I did. I would never overcook a steak, but yes, for that reason, I might say that it's actually better. Perfectly cooking a steak is harder than perfectly seasoning one. You should also mix around the steak with its own juices, even if you don't use the cutting board method. That's primarily what would make this steak more juicy than the other methods. That's about it.